Are you looking for the best juicer on the market? I asked the same question a few years ago. Overwhelmed with a bazillion choices, I ended up buying the wrong and outdated product. Hopefully, with the help of this article, you won't have to deal with the same mistake that I did back then. I have already reviewed over 100 juice extractors in a span of 5 years. Given this knowledge, I know which ones would work best for juicing celeries, making green juices, or simple fruit and vegetable drinks. You'll find all the answers to those questions and more in this epic juicer buying guide. Without any further delay, let me give you the best juicers of 2022. There are many products available to choose best budget juicer, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the budget juicer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the prices and other information, be sure to check my descriptions. So without any further, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer. Juicer has the slimmest profile among all the vertical slow juicers in the market. Apparently, that's not its only unique feature. On a positive note, it's also the cheapest cold-press juicing machine. As a point of comparison, you can buy almost 9 juicers for a price of one Kyurem H200. But is it worth it? Well, it wouldn't make it on this list if it's not countertop worthy. There's just one catch: it has a super narrow chute. It belongs to the first generation of vertical slow juicers like the Kyurem HP and Kyurem H101. You'll have to cut your produce into small pieces to fit its crescent opening. However, that's a small price to pay for a refreshingly nutritious juice. Not only it's a dependable juicer, but it's also capable of making nut-based milk alternatives. Number 2. Kyurem HP Slow Juicer. Kyurem HP is the most popular juicer from the brand. What I like about this machine are its 3 adorable color finishes. You can have it in plain white, pastel green, or pastel pink. Why is it the best compact juicer? Despite its size, it's a capable juice extractor that will work well for leafy greens, celeries, or any juice recipe you'd like to make. It crushes your produce at 43 RPM, slow but highly efficient at extracting every drop of juice from your fruits and veggies. If you want a more affordable option, next in line is the Juicer. It has thousands of raving reviews from satisfied customers, and I must say it's equally cute as the Kyurem HP. Number 3. Breville Juice. Short juice shelf life is the major disadvantage of centrifugal juicers. This issue gave birth to Breville's Juice Fountain Cold family, Juice Fountain Cold, Juice Fountain Cold Plus, and Juice Fountain Cold XL. The first model is the cheapest. The Plus version is a more refined model with a more compact design, and the XL variant is the biggest among the 3 siblings. Let's focus on the Juice Fountain Cold Plus since it's the best choice among the 3. By the way, the Plus model is also the best Breville juicer. Breville claims that their proprietary cold spin technology and elevated juicing system embedded in these juicers can prolong the juice's shelf life to 72 hours. There are no independent studies to back their claim, so let's just bet on the brand's reputation. If what they're claiming is true, then this is a significant breakthrough for centrifugal juicing machines. That's the reason why it's the best centrifugal juicer. You can now prepare a 3-day juice cleanse in under 5 minutes with any of the 3 juice maker models I mentioned above. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold family is highly recommended for making fruit and vegetable juices. Number 4. Omega MM900 HDS. I mentioned a while ago that Omega 8006 is slowly being replaced by Omega MM900 HDS, aka the medical medium juicer or Omega celery juicer. You won't notice any difference if you compare Omega 8006 and Omega MM900 HDS side by side. I believe they share the same body frame. The only difference is that the latter is strictly for juicing. It doesn't have extra food processing accessories. What makes MM900 HDS the best juicer for celery? The brand optimized this product for processing those juicy stalks. It comes with a tighter end cap, which in theory, should yield you more juice. That feature also make it an amazing machine for making green juices. If you're also using your juicer for other purposes like making non-dairy milk alternatives, making pasta, mincing sauces, etc., this is not the model you should upgrade to as it's strictly for juicing. Number 5. Tribus Greenstar GSE 5000 Elite. Triturating juicing machines provide a whole new level of juice extraction experience. The twin gears inside this type of juicer are incredibly efficient and durable. On top of heavy-duty performance, the augers inside the Greenstar Elite are equipped with bioceramic technology. According to the manufacturer, this feature enhances the paramagnetic properties of alkaline minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium in your juice. In theory, it maximizes your juice's nutritional value. There's no other brand that offers that feature, making it the best twin-gear juicer. The Greenstar Elite can handle even the toughest produce. Its gears are super powerful that it can juice mature coconut meat. Among other types of juicer machines, this feat is unique to twin-gear juicers. It can also take on any type of fruits and vegetables, be it leafy greens, wheatgrass, celery, etc. You can also puree soft fruits, make nut-based milk, or homogenize food with this machine. Greenstar Elite is a fantastic household juicer with over-the-top juicing performance. It also has a commercial model, the Greenstar Pro. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.